Most cars on Wisconsin Avenue are driving on all four wheels, but as one incident back on March 31st goes to show, that's not always the case. A car on its side in front of the library. The driver under the influence of drugs, according to MUPD. It's the fourth drug-related incident MUPD has dealt with in a 5-week span. No one was injured in the accident, but experts underscore the severity of drug use.
I think everyone needs to be attuned to how lethal and how damaging a lot of the drugs that are out there, these synthetic drugs that didn't exist when I was in college.
The addition of fentanyl to a lot of different drugs that are utilized, that's always scary. I would say that is causing the increase in the drug-related deaths. I know Milwaukee County has seen quite the uptick over the last 2 or 3 years. It's very concerning.
Milwaukee County reports 59 fatal overdoses so far in 2022. There was a record 612 deaths in 2021.
The scary part about fentanyl is it gets added to things without the knowledge of the purchaser. So you think you're buying one thing and it has this fentanyl in it, and that causes the reaction that can be lethal at times.
It's not just an epidemic relevant to Milwaukee. The Drug Enforcement Agency released an emoji drug code sheet for friends and family to identify when their loved one may be ordering illegal drugs.
Everybody has their own free choice to do or not to do anything. That's just up to them to keep everybody else safe around them.
The 2020 death of business dean Joe Daniels is a stark reminder about the danger of cars and drugs. While the driver of the car that hit and killed Daniels was not proven to be intoxicated, drug paraphernalia was recovered from the car.
Police can't stop everything. I think the Marquette police force does a good job, but ultimately it's up to people to police themselves as to how they behave.
I'm Timothy Lateau, Marquette Wire News.